Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 randomly black screen error. So to resolve this problem, you can try this method. Click on Start, search Device Manager and open Device Manager. Now here you have to find out this monitors expanded. Right click on monitor driver, that driver. Search automatically, close it. Now search edit power plan. Now here click on change advanced power settings. Expand PCI Express. Link state power management. Click on it. Set this both setting off. Apply and restart your laptop. So thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.